Hi guys, so we are at Blotoft level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. How's this barrier do?
Squeaky along. This one doesn't go down properly.
There we go, time is 12:03 on Saturday the 7th of March 2015. I don't know what this is for because we haven't got Andrew.
Oh, that is.
I know. That's pretty high off the floor, that is.
Look at that, that is broken.
I could just about slip under that.
The motor, I could easily get under that. Always used.
I wonder if this is another Peterborough Lincoln.
This could be a Lincoln. Look at that, that is so high. Yeah, this is a bit like Rouse's.
Don't touch it, there's Network Rail behind us.
Yeah.
There she is, I think it's a HST.
Oh.
Yeah, it is, so we know there's East Coast running on this line today.
Pretty well.
Yeah, that's an automatic crossing as well. Yeah, this is HST, it is East Coast HST, Adam.
Yeah.
Hey? Yeah. Here it is, Adam.
Oh, look, these two lights are almost in sync. Joe, these two lights are almost in sync. Joe, these lights are almost in sync, you know?
Yeah.
They're almost, they're not in sync at all.
Virgin front again.
What? What number?
43 315. Thank you. 296 and they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.